Izipart.com. Buyer User Guide. To get started, visit Izipart.com and sign up as a buyer to proceed with free registration. Fill out your company details and create the account. Sign in to your new account with your details, email address, and chosen password. Your company dashboard has been created. Return to the home screen and use the search bar to find the spare part you need by typing a keyword. View the Easy Supplier credentials. Once the part has been found, simply place an order request. Complete the quantity, and the request will be sent to the Easy Supplier for confirmation. Or select Inquire to ask our verified Easy Supplier a question. Once the supplier responds to the inquiry, a notification will pop up on the profile dashboard and via your email. Follow the link and view the inquiry. Once satisfied, place the order. When the Easy Supplier has accepted your order request, he will send you a purchase order with the terms of sale. You can view and download the PO, and once confirmed, attach to the signed PO and send it back to the Easy Supplier. You will then receive the final invoice and the order process is complete. To message the Easy Supplier at any point during the order process, submit your message to the left. One of our key benefits to Easy Buyers is the ability to post a part request if the part you need isn't currently shown on our marketplace. Simply fill out the form with the details of the wanted part. If available, attach an image of the part. Easy Admin will notify you when the part is published. It will now be immediately seen by our global network of Easy Suppliers. You'll be notified via email and on your dashboard when a supplier offers a solution to your request. Once the supplier has confirmed availability and you're happy to proceed, the Easy Supplier will publish the part on the marketplace. Simply click Order and the supplier will send you the invoice. Manage and track the status of your inquiries orders and wanted parts via your dashboard. Orders will be marked as complete when the invoice is received. Contact us at any time via hello@Izipart.com, phone, or the contact page, and our support team will respond to you ASAP. Izipart.com, global access to engineering spare parts.